And it goes a little something like
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. Hey, how are you? My name is Jay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna be doing another makeup look again. As y'all can see by my outfit, I'm heading out. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to have a makeup look that complemented my outfit. So I decided to go with a smoky eye look and almost like a little nude tone to kind of help match my outfit. If you guys haven't seen this outfit or this try on look before, I did do it in a Shein haul, Shein slash Fashion Nova haul that I did in the past. I'll try to link it in the eye, if not in the description box below. So check that video out if you have not. So first I did add my primer and now I am doing my eyebrows. So I'm just shaping it in and using my spoolie brush tool to help blend that out so it doesn't look so sharp. Next, I'm going to be adding some of my foundation. I believe I was using the shade Espresso. I do not remember as this video was taken a while back. But I believe it is this shade, either Espresso or Chestnut, as those are the two that I use the most. Next, I'm going to be using my setting spray and my blending sponge, and I'm going to be using that to blend out that concealer to give my eyebrows that clean finish look. Next, I'm going to be using this black eyeshadow or eyelid primer that I purchased. I think it's a LA Girls product as well. I do use them a lot, so I wouldn't be surprised. And I'm just going to be using that along with my, yep, it's a LA Girl. So next, I'm going to be using my brush tool. And I'm going to be using that to kind of help spread that primer around, just to help get that smoky eye look in full effect. Next, in my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using that color as it's the closest that matches the undertone of my dress. And I'm just packing that on my eyelid. And I'm going to try to blend that in. That way it transcends with the smoky eye look. I wasn't sure how it was looking so far. I wasn't too happy with how it was looking, but I trust the process and I just continue going and packing it on just to make sure that it shows up in the look. Now I'm just going to be using a different brush and I'm going to use that to help blend out the edging of the nude tone eyeshadow, and I'm trying to help that blend into the black primer. Next, I'm looking for a color to go under my underbrow area, and of course y'all, I went with gold. It's my weakness, I know, but I went with gold and I'm using that as my highlight for my underbrow area. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm using the shade Hot Chocolate along with my concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm mixing the two just to kind of help get my foundation matching my skin tone a little bit better. And I also did my eyeliner or wings off camera. So now I'm just packing on the concealer into the areas that I wanted to kind of help blend out all together. And then I'm going to be using my foundation brush and work that in. Next, I'm just going to be fixing my eyebrows a bit and blend that back out. I think I did make a mistake and kind of smudged it with the foundation, but I'm liking how my eyeshadow's looking so far, and I think I'm showing you guys my wings. Next, I'm going to be adding some highlighter to my cheeks. I can't tell if I did do my concealer or not for my under eye area. Maybe that's why I looked so tired when I went out. Maybe I missed that step. I was in a rush, so bear in mind for this look. Don't judge me too much, but I'm just adding it in those T-boned areas and applying it where I see fit. Again, y'all, I'm not an expert, so don't judge me too harshly. Next, I'm going to be applying some lip balm to my lips before I apply anything to my lips. Next, I'm going to be applying some black matte lipstick. I'm going to be using that as my liner. I'm being a bit simple with my lips again in this look, so I'm just adding that around the edges or the corner of my lip, and I'm going to use my lip to kind of blend it, to smudge it all together, and to kind of have it blend into being this black transcended looking nude look, as my lips are already naturally colored in like a nude look, so it just blends in all together, and it kind of looks like I am wearing a lipstick even though I am not, which is perfect. Okay, now that I'm liking how everything is looking, I'm gonna set that in with my setting spray, and I'm going to put on my wig and my lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is how everything is looking. This is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Share my video, guys. Give my video some love by hitting the like button. Comment down below what you guys think about this makeup look, and let me know what else you guys want to see me do, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.